Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect DSers and AliExpress. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why do we need to connect DSers and AliExpress in the first place? Well, the answer is simple. DSers is a powerful dropshipping platform that allows you to source products from AliExpress and sell them on your own online store. By connecting DSers to AliExpress, you can easily import products, place orders, and track shipments, all without having to leave the DSers platform. So, if you're looking to start a dropshipping business or you're already using DSers, then connecting it to AliExpress is a must. Now, let's get into the how-to. Step 1. Create a DSers account. If you don't already have a DSers account, you'll need to create one. Go to the DSers website and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Link your AliExpress account. Once you've created a DSers account, you need to link it to your AliExpress account. To do this, log in to your DSers account and click on the Settings tab. Then, click on the Suppliers tab and select AliExpress. Enter your AliExpress login credentials and click on the Authorize button. Step 3. Import products. Now that you've connected DSers to AliExpress, you can start importing products. To do this, click on the Products tab in DSers and then click on the Import Products button. Enter the URL of an AliExpress product page and click on the Import button. Step 4. Place orders. Once you've imported some products, you can start placing orders. To do this, click on the Orders tab in DSers and then click on the Place Order button. Select the products you want to order and enter the quantity. Then, click on the Place Order button. Step 5. Track shipments. DSers will automatically track your shipments for you. You can view your shipping information by clicking on the Orders tab and then selecting the order you want to track. That's it. You've now successfully connected DSers and AliExpress. You can now start sourcing products from AliExpress and selling them on your own online store. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.